Welcome to how to add notes to reminders on iPhone. So what you're gonna need to do, you will just open up reminders app, and from there we will set up a new reminder, and the title should be shopping. Okay, and now here you can see below we have this notes option. Okay, so you can basically write some kind of note here like pick up shoes from local store. Okay, and then what you're gonna need to do, if you want to add some more details, you can tap on details, like what date and what time. So tap on the date, and let's suppose I want to pick up the shoes tomorrow, I will tap on this. Then if you wanted to add time, let's suppose I want to pick up shoes at 3 p.m, so this will be the time. Okay, and let's suppose 3 p.m. Okay, and then if you want it repeat, you can just tap on repeat and tap on add. And now what you're gonna need to do is this, your reminder will be scheduled here. Okay, so this is like shopping, and this is the notes. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.